People may forget your words, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Good speakers speak clearly, but great speakers speak from the heart. Welcome to 30 Days Public Speaking Skills. It's day 24th, Emotional Connection. You always speak from the heart, not just from the script. Emotion creates unforgettable impact. Again, don't just read your script, speak from the heart because emotion creates real connection. Let's understand with a quick example. Whenever you share your feelings or talk, you can use such sentence. I know how this feels. I have been there too. Instead of sounding perfect, sound real. Not a big deal, yeah? Now your today's task is share one real feelings when you speak. Either it would be fear, hope, or confidence. Feel it, say it, and connect. And follow for day 25th video for heart touching public speaking tip. Cheers.